Wait. So, someone like
That could be a short.
Is the bar recording?
Good. Music comes. Lights dim. And the direction. So Shelly just read the direction. Yeah.
People sorry. She's on with my composer.
People were reaffirming. Melody Jackson, big up yourself. Reaffirming.
Jesus.
Alright, people?
People, I'm composing myself.
So you start over from
Let's go.
end.
People, you know we end with our affirmation of the night. And we do this every Sunday night as we say thank you. I am worthy of love, happiness, and success. Each day I grow stronger, wiser, and more at peace with myself. These words, get up in the mornings and say them to yourself. I am worthy, and you're worthy of everything. Thank you so much for joining us on this Sunday Night Live. I'm your host, Shelly Xpressionzja, with my co-host,
Orville Xpressionzja.
Thank you for joining us, and good night. Good night, my TikTok people. Be quiet. Good night, my TikTok. You're not telling your TikTok people
TikTok,
good night.
big up on yourself.
Oh
Good
my
night.
God.
Good night.
Yeah, they are trouble
Enough
me.
love, enough respect. Thank you so much for joining us. We are out. See you next week. Same place, same time. Salute.
And we're out.
My name Location Scout.
This time of the day, we have to pray with the sun there to get the best light, people. So the sun is almost directly over our head now, so it's kind of difficult if we don't have reflectors to bounce the light, and we can't get no shadows. So that part right here, technical as well.
Yeah, man.
Really want to get a view of the sea in the background.
So the spot where you choose down there, so you say can be one night. We'll go down the bush there, so right at stairs. It don't have the scene in the background.
Have the scene at the background, but because it's a lower level.
Oh, this better. Oh. It have a good look.
Yeah,
Wider angles.
yeah, scene. Have a look at it. And I also have some rustic thing about it.
The brown part.
The brown part. Definitely a very good place.
It have the green.
So we're going to start. So we'll start with so we get
On the pool side.
on the pool side. So we're going to shoot from this side and have a walk on the next side of the pool. Coming this way so that we get a wide shot of all of
Okay.
that area with the sea.
Just a view you want from
Right,
that.
right. And then we can get some walking through here so we get all of the green here, view of the place. And then we're going to use up here something.
Okay.
You kind of see too good.
Okay.
And I still too agent at all, so we want that. This time we do only the first.
The water. And you know, based on the natural of it, you might have to just sketch it.
Just work with the natural.
Yeah, work with it at the background. And we just create a background, so when we cancel it, we can put it in.
Is establish it so people know the water run. So when you hear it at the background, then I realize it. So this is going to be one of the cutaways.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice.
Somebody can get your son, somebody will not your son. And you can be shot from down the side as well to touch the also.
Yeah. And shot from down there too, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Complete.
Alright.
You wanna give me none?
I start.
Yeah.
You don't know finally? My God.
And she not give me none. What?
You have to say eat cheese patty and running belly that you know.
So what she eat?
She never eat no cheese patty.
What kind of patty she eat? Look
Oh,
on her
cheese
face.
patty you eat. Jesus. And chocolate tea. And chocolate tea. My God. What
There's
a
anything
mixture.
today? Who knows that she and
And
Uncle
she and
Bobby?
Uncle Bobby. Yes, Christ. One a milkshake from beef patty and one a cheese and what? Chocolate tea and cookie and cream ice cream. Nice one, baby.